students. How are you? Fine? Very good. In last class, you have learned how to read and write capital and small d. D for dog. D for doll. Today we are going to learn how to read and write capital and small A, B, C, D. Look here, look this chart. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for doll. So now I am going to teach you how to write A, B, C, D. Capital and small A, B, C, D. How to write together. So look here. Now we are going to start. Look here on the board. In your notebook, there are 4 lines. There are 4 lines. Red line, first blue line, second blue line, and red line. So you have to start write capital A from red line. Put your pencil on red line and start writing from red line to first blue line and end with second blue line. Which line is this? Who will tell me? Who will tell me? Which line is this? Slanting line. Left slanting line. Which line is this? Left slanting line. So now right slanting line from red line to second blue line. And a sleeping line on first blue line. A sleeping line on first blue line. Which letter is this? Capital A. Capital A. And now start small a. From first blue line, make a curve, a big curve and a small curve. Which letter is this? Small a. Small a. A sounds A. A sounds A. Now which letter will come here? Very good. B. B for bat. So start from red line. Which line is this? Which line is this? Standing line. Very good. Make a curve from red line to first blue line and again a curve from first blue line to second blue line. Which letter is this? Capital B. Now write a small b. Make a standing line from red line to second blue line and a curve from first blue line to second blue line. Which letter is this? Capital and small b. B sounds B. B sounds B. Now look here. C. Capital C. Make a big curve from red line to second blue line. Capital C. Capital C. And small c. From first blue line to second blue line. C sounds K. C sounds K. C for cat. C for cat. Now look here. Capital D from red line to second blue line. A standing line. Which line is this? Standing line. And make a big curve from red line to second blue line. From red line to second blue line. Which letter is this? Capital D. And here a standing line and a small curve, right side curve. This is small d. Which letter is D? Which letter is this? D. Small d. Capital D and small d. D sounds D. D sounds D. So understand? Capital and small A, capital and small B, capital and small C, capital and small D. While you writing, you have to write these 4 letters in one line. capital and small, A, B, C and D. Understood? And you have to write these letters one full page in your notebook. And while writing, you have to say and write.